Well, here we are, DreamMasters with our Chevy truck C10. I think we shot a video of this thing last week. Right after we had sprayed it, it's been complete, been lowered, and had some other odd and end stuff done to it. Just thought we'd give y'all a once over of it. It's getting ready to leave. Nice truck, come out real well. Just a nice, neat, ordinary, clean vehicle. Just thought we'd give you one more shot of it. Keep doing what we're doing, man. Like this thing. Truck got all new chrome on it, new band centers, new tires. Don't look too bad. We all know to favoritize the TA, but it's a truck, man. Just thought we'd shoot you a video of it. As you can see, Roger done his thing. Well, here we again, DreamMasters The Hotrod Shop, Reedsville, North Carolina. Need something done, hit me up. Ask for William, 336-589-0886. Thank y'all. Hope you enjoy it. Idle's a little high. Knock the choke off, it'll be fine. Well, see you with the next one.